AutoFlexDuct create flex ducts automatically between ducts and air terminals. It can save your HVAC modeling time. Choose flex duct type and check or not max flex duct length. Select air terminals and ducts in the 3D or plan view. Click Create button, then each air terminal is connected to the nearest duct in the selection. This connection is maintained when the duct or the air terminal location changes. You can limit the flex duct length to no more than a certain length. If max flex duct length is checked and flex duct length is over, a branch duct will be added between duct and flex duct.